I am Dr. Kate Linkenmeyer, and I am a family practice obstetrician here in Boone, Iowa. I have been at Boone almost 2 full years now. Originally from a small farming community up in Northeast Iowa, and spent some time in Ames, and then finally made my way to University of Iowa Medical School, and then time in Des Moines, and finally got to come back to a rural community here in Boone, Iowa. I love the way that the town gathers and is really passionate about their community, whether it's support for the hospital, support for the library, for the downtown, for the schools in the area. I love how together this Boone community is and the loyalty that they have to this area. One of the major things that brought me to Boone County was the chance to practice what's called full spectrum medicine, which means that you get to be with a patient in any aspect of their care, whether it's that they need to be admitted to the hospital or with their routine checkups in the clinic. This is starting to become a rare type of medicine that's practiced, and thankfully Boone, Iowa still practices this type of medicine. One of the benefits of full spectrum care is also being able to help deliver babies and take care of new babies. Being able to help women through pregnancy and with labor and delivery was one of the main reasons that I decided to enter into medicine and to become a doctor. The chance to also continue caring for the babies once they're born and as they age and grow up is another huge benefit to being a family practitioner. Working and specializing in seeing women in reproductive health gives me a chance to watch families grow. It gives me a chance to work with women one-on-one to talk about getting pregnant or to talk about the experience of being pregnant, and then finally to be able to be there in that moment when they're having their baby and go through that wonderful experience. At Boone County Hospital, all the babies are delivered here by Dr. Severson, Dr. Hay, and myself. I feel so incredibly lucky to work with these women. If there's a time when I can't be there for a woman or for one of my patients, I am so thankful that they get to work with either Dr. Severson or Dr. Hay. Together, I know that we really practice very similar. We all focus on providing really, really good patient care, and the patient is always going to come first for us. We also are really passionate about delivering really good obstetric care in a small community. Labor and delivery and pregnancy can be a really scary and risky time for a woman. And so we really focus on making sure that we are prepared for any emergency that could come into Boone County Hospital. And if there is a patient that is going to need that higher level of care, we absolutely work to make that transition to a larger hospital as seamless as possible. Not only do I love working with Dr. Severson and Dr. Hay, but I've actually been their patient. So with Dr. Hay, I was able to have all of my prenatal appointments with them. She helped me walk through this entire time as it was my very first pregnancy. When it came time to deliver, I got to deliver with Dr. Severson, and so she was there to help me deliver my baby and bring my son into this world. My experience at our family birthing center, both as a patient and then also working and being their coworker, is phenomenal. You have some of the most passionate and educated and informed nursing staff I can ever imagine. The family birthing center rooms are really nice. They're spacious. They have this great big tub for you to be able to manage your pain and all the changes that your body's going to go through as you go through that labor and delivery. They also have everything that you can need as your baby is born. They have everything you can need after your baby is born. And so you stay in that same room as you were laboring with your baby, but then also as you're taking care of your baby afterwards. At Boone County Hospital, we really specialize in offering great family care. Whatever the age, whatever the ailment, you can find almost all your care and get all your care here at Boone County Hospital. Whether it's pregnancy, specialist care that might come to our Boone County Hospital, you can absolutely get all your excellent family care here at Boone County Hospital.